To study the moisture content in a group of trees, samples from the trunk of each tree were taken from 25 trees and cut in the shape of a cube. The length of the edge of one of these cubes is 2.00 centimeters. If this cube has a mass of 2.56 grams, what is the density of this cube in grams per cubic centimeter? Okay, here we have to find the density. There is a formula to find the density. Let me write the formula. Density equals to mass divided by volume. Let me write it. Since we have to find the density of the cube in grams per cubic centimeter, the mass has to be expressed in grams and volume has to be expressed in cubic centimeters. Here we have the mass of the sample in grams. We can plug in this 2.56 for mass over here. Let me plug in. And now we have to find the volume in cubic centimeters. Since each sample is in the shape of a cube, we can use the formula to find volume of a cube, that is V equals to A to the third power. This A represents the length of each edge of the cube. Here the length of each edge of the cube is 2 centimeters. We can plug in 2 for this A, then we have 2 cube. 2 to the third power is 8. Since the length of the edge is 2 centimeters, here the volume has to be expressed in cubic centimeters. This is 8 cubic centimeters. We can plug in this 8 for volume over here. Let me plug in. Okay, now we have to divide this 2.56 by 8. When I do so, I am getting 0.32. Therefore, the density of the cube in grams per cubic centimeter is 0.32.